QuickGantt is a user-friendly Gantt chart Excel template with a streamlined workflow for managing dependencies. Let's take a look at how it can help you start visualizing your project timeline in just seconds. Adding and editing a task. Enter task summary in a cell under Task column. Enter task duration. Double-click on a cell under Start column and select a start date from Date Picker. Creating and managing task dependency. To create task dependency, click on the Gantt bars representing predecessor task and dependent task respectively. In case of a schedule conflict between the predecessor and dependent task, the dependency line turns red to highlight the issue. To resolve the conflicts, update task start dates manually, or use the scheduler tools to automatically adjust start dates. Autotask chaining. First, populate the durations for all the tasks in the set, and a start date for the first task. Select the tasks, click at Scheduler button at the top, and execute the Autotask chaining. Creating a group. Enter a group summary under the Task column. Do not enter any other information. Next, double-click at the cell on the left to it. A triangle arrow icon will appear, signifying that this is a group. All items in adjacent cells below it are treated as group's children. You can double-click at the triangle icon to fold or unfold the group. Switching views. To switch between daily, weekly, and quarterly views, click at the Day, Week, Quarter button. Baselining project schedule. Once you have the original schedule ready, click at the Baseline Tools button. The Baseline Tools form will appear on your screen. On the left half of the form with the title Baseline, activate the Show option. Under the section Set Baseline For, click All, then click Yes. The baseline bar in light gray color will appear beneath each of the Gantt chart bar. And as the project proceeds and the schedule get adjusted, you can easily compare it against the original schedule in gray bars. Ready to streamline your projects? Check the link in the description to get your Gantt chart template today.